DailyPay is an on-demand pay platform which allows people to have access to the funds that they work for before their payday so that they can be more financially sustainable.
And it's essentially working with employers to do innovation between payroll and financial services.
Client-wise, we're at 1,200 plus clients in the United States. There's a segmentation of those 1,200 that are multinationals.
So if you think about that, there's different regulations that we have to navigate across this market.
Canada is one of the more highly regulated jurisdictions or countries that you will find.
In terms of like the criteria we're looking for, we looked for, again, the baseline things, right? Who can help us get into the market? Then we thought about, hey, we are a global company. So it was very important that we found a partner who was global in nature.
We knew from the first meeting that ComplyAdvantage was at the top of their game. The team knew what they were doing from the start. When I got a look at the technology, it was very dynamic and very intuitive. So we knew ComplyAdvantage was the solution from the minute we left that meeting.
Comply, in terms of transaction monitoring and user screening for Canada specific, just made a lot of sense. You combine the strategic relationship that we had with the folks, plus the tooling that allows us to screen the users. Now we're all targeting to the same goal.
So the functionalities that really impressed me about ComplyAdvantage is the ability to standardize the way that we share transactional data information with them. We're able to quickly implement even the escalation process within ComplyAdvantage without switching any systems or building anything else internally. ComplyAdvantage came to me with a whole menu of rules. When I started looking through those rules, I realized they had thought of everything in the industry that could go wrong.
For us, volume was a big factor. So one of the big things that's exciting about ComplyAdvantage is just the level of data that ComplyAdvantage has across different markets, and then the flexibility to figure out additional data sources that we might want and to hook that up into the system.
What I loved most about it is the seamless interface. Not only does it have to be robust in the back engine, it has to be so seamless in the front end that you're able to not only understand the results, but articulate it.
Just the fact that we were able to integrate and share information and then develop the whole process within ComplyAdvantage without even having to come into the internal DailyPay space was in itself, that's a huge benefit. Working with ComplyAdvantage technical and success teams was super easy. It wouldn't have been feasible for us to build something in-house and be able to quickly have a program that has the rules, has the detection, and we can investigate within the same space.
Distributing DailyPay for me is the utmost importance. And we need a strategic partner that gets excited for that. And ComplyAdvantage, client success, and technical teams embrace that same challenge.
We now have just a much better system that our clients are experiencing. So it's just become like a cleaner, one-stop solution.
Yes, I would recommend ComplyAdvantage and their marketplace to other businesses, especially those that are global and are willing to expand internationally. You're gonna need someone who's gonna help problem solve with you, and ComplyAdvantage does that.